Hello everyone and welcome to my channel, Limitless Lauren. Today I'm going to be tightening up a couple pairs of my shorts and jeans. Of course, when I browse Pinterest, I always see these crazy little sewing hacks. So I thought, okay, it looks simple enough for me to be able to do it. And all you really need is a needle and thread, which if you don't have one, you're in luck. Dollar Tree has a little sewing kit, has everything you need, has a bunch of different things in here. I have everything for sewing except a hand sew needle. So Dollar Tree came through, $1 for all this stuff in here. It comes with thread too if you need thread. Other materials I'm going to use are just some crayons, and this is to just draw my outline of where I'm going to be sewing. So the pants I'm going to be working on today. I got these cute Tommy Hilfiger shorts, but they gape really bad in the back. I don't own belts. I'm not a belt wearer. So I wanted to figure out another way to fix it. And so what I'm going to be showing you today looks pretty dang easy to do. And I'm wearing the other pair. Now these are kind of like my boyfriend mom jeans. They're kind of baggy, but they're really baggy now that since I've been working out more. I just want to be able to just tighten it up in the back so they don't be falling off on me all day. So we're going to take it step by step. So you can follow along with me if you want to, because if this works, this is going to be such an easy hack to do with any of your jeans, and it's easy to cut away just in case you gain a few pounds and need to open them up again. It's not a permanent fix. You can just cut the thread and loosen it up again. So let's get to it. Now there's a couple different ways to do this. You can do it on the side seam, but you'd have to do it on both sides. So I think for this one, I'm going to try from the back. So they make a line going down. So I'm just going to draw a line. I'm going to open my handy dandy sewing kit from Dollar Tree. Oh wow. It comes with little scissors, a tape measure, thimble, pins, buttons, all different colors of thread. Okay, so there's a little slot down here, and so you turn it to whatever slot you want and the needles will come out. That's so cool. What a cute little kit. Now I got thread a while back from Michael's or Joann or something, and this is heavy duty thread. So I'm going to use this one instead of the Dollar Tree one because it's probably not very good thread. Let's see if I can get this through here. Wow, easy peasy. Okay, those scissors are crap. I'm gonna tie a knot at the end. I don't know if you can see the little knot right there. Okay, we're ready to get sewing. They start at the top edge and they poke it down. That doesn't seem right. Alright, I watched the video on Pinterest again. They're using really thick, almost like yarn. So I don't even know if this thread is gonna work. Okay, that's not right again. What am I doing wrong? Ugh, it's all twisted. Okay, I think I know what I'm doing wrong. I think I figured it out. Oh, stick with me, people. Holy cow. Sewing is not my strong suit, obviously. I think I was inserting the needle in the wrong spot. Insert it where this one outserts. So I was going back like I was doing the first stitch. But I think I need to do it out here and then go down. Let's see if that solves the mystery. Oh, please. Oh, it's better. I'm gonna go to the other side. Down. Oh, we got something here, people. And I pull the needle under the thread so it doesn't get all tangled. Okay, so for the last thread, I poked it at the very bottom down here. So let's see. Let's give this a try. So all you're gonna do is pull the thread, and it's supposed to close up. It's doing good so far. Please don't rip thread. Oh, my hard work. I'm like gently tugging because I don't want it to snap. It's a little crazy looking, but I think I did it. Okay, so I'm gonna tie a knot off at the end. Just tying a bunch of knots so this doesn't come loose, especially in the wash. All right, moving on to the other side. I'm gonna start over here, just like I did the other one. So I'm gonna poke in where this one comes out, and there, and pop it out where I want the next one to be. Don't forget to put this thread under. And I make sure that I line up where I put my other dot to make it symmetrical. Now with this little ledge right here, so I'm gonna put the hole right above it and then come out right below it. There we go. So right below the ledge like that. I see why they used thicker thread for sure. Look at that, you can barely even tell. Or maybe you can, I don't know. Okay, I'm going to cut this little bit and do some knots. And we're gonna give this a try. So here's what it looks like from the back. It kind of makes the butt look a little bunchy, just a little bit. I mean, these were already pretty baggy, but wow. I can't believe how well that did. All right, let's move on to the next pair. I was taking them off, heard a snap. This whole side came undone, completely broke. I'm using all-purpose sewology, 100% polyester. I just need thicker thread. I think that's just the case, which now I know how to do it, so at least I can do it more easily, but because this side is bound to snap. Okay, I just got back from Walmart. I picked up a different kind of thread. I got this Coates and Clark brand. It's from Walmart, and it's upholstery thread. This stuff, I was trying to test it out in the store. It is tough, and I think that this will be perfect for the shorts, and it's still thin enough to fit through the needles that I already had, because I really didn't want to have to buy new needles, new thread, everything. So this is thin enough that it will fit. So let's get back to it and try it out. So I'm going to try the other technique, which is sewing along here. I'm doing the diagonal here. So maybe it won't make that bunchy butt like the other one did. I'm going to go off of this line right here. I'm just going to draw right to where this pocket is. So that's how I'm going to do my diagonal. Let's see if this marker is better. I know you can't see it very well, but it's right here. Since this jean material is so tough, I discovered a little trick you can do. So this is like a grippy to help open cans or whatever. So I stick it underneath the needle so I can see where it's going, and I just easily pull it, because this is really thick jean material. So if you have issues pulling the thread through, I would highly suggest a grippy thing. I wanted to show up close. This is the spacing that I'm doing in between each one, roughly. I'm not getting the same exact one, but that's what I'm going for how far apart they are. Okay, I've made it to the bottom. Let's test this puppy out. There we go. There we go! Oh my gosh. So excited! And I'm gonna do the other side and I will be back. I did want to show what they looked like on the inside. So you have a little divot. No more gate in the back. Ah, I am so happy. You can barely even tell that I did it. And they didn't rip. And it doesn't make the butt look all weird. All right, I'm gonna do my light colored jeans with the same technique on the pockets, and we will be done. Oh yeah. So much better. And I don't have that bunchy butt like the one from the middle. So here is a close-up of the front. The little seam I did right there. And right there. Well, that is it. With all the struggles that I went through to do this simple task was a little ridiculous, but I'm glad I now have that upholstery thread because wow, that is heavy duty, and it was a good color to match with the denim as well. It was a little under $3, but you get a bunch on the spool. But hopefully you can try this out with some of your jeans. I am just so happy that it worked. I'm gonna be doing this with other pairs of my pants that get too big. It was a little confusing at first just to get the technique down, but then I was really going and it really doesn't take that much time at all. So I highly recommend doing the pockets rather than behind on the waistband, just for that bunchy look. That's not a good look in my opinion. But anyway, thank you for watching and I hope to see you in my next video. Bye! But wait.
Before you go, I'll miss you so please subscribe to my channel and like this video.